Here we are in the village of West Clay in west side of Carmel, Indiana. This community is extremely exclusive, very hard to get into. We have our newest listing, a townhome, going live. I want to show you some of the community first before we show you the home. Here we are in the village of West Clay, our newest listing, 12784 Ashworth Street. I want to show you this really unique property. Come on, let's go on in. We finally made our way up to the kitchen space area. What I think a future buyer is going to really love about this particular property is you have access to your outdoor patio space, which is lovely come the summertime, really good area to enjoy. And this kitchen has a lot of space. Go ahead and check that out. Here we are in your living room space. It is connected to the kitchen area. Nice big open concept. I think an added bonus about this specific property that I appreciate as a parent is you have access to the green space out front. Take a look at that. I hope you enjoyed the video tour today. If you have any questions about this specific property, don't hesitate to reach out to me. I'm your local listing specialist. My contact phone number is area code 260-573-6316. I hope you make it a great day.